Gamer 91 back. Today we are going to play. Don't press the button. Oh my god, first only whenever we came it started. We have to not touch the rock. But we have to stay only in the raft. If we touch the rock or if we jump out of the raft, we die. I am still there. I should not die. No, don't get too close. No, I died. Tailo A981. Leave, I will try. Here we have to cross this before it's too late. Oh my god, how is he going so fast? No, I died. That man is using cheats. Leave. We'll try to win the next time. Giant volcano. This giant volcano, we have to watch out. Do not get hit by those. Oh my god. No. Get hit by those. No, just. Do not get hit by those. Let's try my best. Oh my god. No. Don't know what to do now. I think I'll hide behind it. Oh no, I died. I died again. I think press. Stay longest. Stop. I think I should go fast. No. He has got 2 points. No. Bro, the Bium tail no god. Go fast. No, I am dying. Wait guys. There are so much cheaters. Somebody kill me. Wait guys, I will join another game. Another server. Hey, we are going to another server now. Oh, that was the same game as there. We have to get over there. We have to stay on the raft. But I am not there because I joined late. Okay, guys. Guys, please can you give this video at least 10 likes. And I want to hit 100 subscribers by this month. Please help me achieve these goals, guys. Please. I think somebody's putting money. But it's not real money. Leave. I assist there. Please, I am the blue team. I have to score a goal. No, red team, you are bad. Where the ball has went? I think I have to just hit the ball. Go. Just hit the ball. Think we have won or something. The ball is just glitched. I don't know what happened. Think the ball got glitched or something. No one scored a goal. Why? Please, I should press a signal. We are in space. My God. You will try to go there. No. I think so many people are dying there. Let us just enjoy. Yay, we are in space. No. Get ready. Snowball fight. I will try to hide. No. think I have to win. Please. Clutch this, clutch this, clutch this, clutch this, clutch this. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. What am I doing? I really don't know. What is happening? Bro, I won it. Mine for diamonds? I will mine. I should mine. Where are the diamonds? Where are the diamonds? Where is the diamond? Where is the diamond? Where is the diamond? How fast? I have reached the corner of this. I got the diamond! Yay! I found a diamond. Be careful. To be careful. So many people are just using cheats. Why? I have won. Go. Hey. Go push. I can't push. I am also there. I have won. Cover under the umbrella. I have to take cover under the umbrella. We have to go under the umbrella. Where is the umbrella? There is the umbrella. I am under the umbrella now. What is that guy doing? We have to go just straight. We are under the umbrella. He's here. Come fast, guys. What's happening? Yay, we have won. Get to the top. This is parkour. I think many people will just cheat. Oh no. I have fallen down. Come fast. Please. I have to win. My god. Why many people are here? I think I have also came to the top. Yay. I have gone. I am at the top. Kill you. You have to avoid the boulders. It's like the game. No. Oh shh. I have died to the first boulder. This guy is dead. I think that guys know the strat. Oh, can I buy in the shop? Hey, I want the coins. We should not fall off the building. We have to not fall off the building. Come fast, we have to not fall off the building. I think the strat is to just stay on the center. Stay on the center, guys. Just stay on the center. Yay, we have survived. Hey, come fast. Again, this is the volcano. I am the button presser, guys. No. can just stay over here. Nothing will happen. If we just stay behind the button presser, then nothing will happen. I am protecting many people and myself. Here we have one. How to jump over the lasers? I think we can just stand on the center. Just be like this. No worry. Guys, I think somebody is trying to kill us. Oh no! Quickly, someone place over the wall. Oh no! I think I am breaking. No! Oof. Oh. I have won. We have to watch out for snowballs. Do not stay on the red line, red circles. All the snowballs will fall there. I think we can just stand here. I will just stand over there. This is very large snowball. Come fast! See, the snowballs are not hitting here. Oh, why you are scared, snowballs? Oh my god! It's not scared at all. But oh my, it's a big snowball. Go fast. Yes, I will. You have to find Easter eggs. I think I found one. I have found one of many Easter eggs. Where are you, eggs? Here I found another one. Fast. Where are you, egg? Egg. I think everybody corrupted their eggs. Oh my god, some people have 4 eggs. Where is it? Some eggs, I think some are on top. No? Where are on top? Where is all the egg? I have to find them. Hey, I found another one. Had 3 in total. Hey, I have found a 4th one. Found 4 Easter eggs. Oh my god, one with 6 Easter eggs. Big brain. We are big brain, guys. Now we have to grab the correct color. I think I have grabbed. Which color is next? Green. I have grabbed the green color. No. I got the purple color. Oh no. Oh. I should have grabbed blue. I have grabbed the blue color. I think this Lana girl will win because she's using cheats. Please, I should not die. Please. She grabbed the color. Correct. No. Why?
The dumukku adukapra bandan dumukku.
No. I think I should win. No. This Lana something girl is always cheating. I did not fall down in the lava. People are not going correctly. They have gone into the wrong side. I'm fast. I have to win. I have to not lose. Come fast. I have to win. Many people are trying to see this rat. Come fast. No. Yes, I have survived. Come fast. No. I have missed just. I have just missed. Come fast. I have to win. I have won. Yay. Boing. What does that mean? I had jumped. What? There's a spin? I can just do a spin. Can I do? Will I have? I will have 50 coins. Oh, I won this one. Money. I have to grab all the money. I think I grabbed the most. Come fast. Come fast. Oh no, we have to play the hole in the wall game. If we touch the laser, we die. I think we have won. Yay. Last team standing. I am on the red team. I have died. Why I had to be the first person to die? Come fast. Blue team should die. Blue team should die. Yay, red team won. My team has won. I have died. I think I have some people has exploded. Where is the correct pad? We have to go to the end. Why is my game so laggy? My game is laggy. Hurry, go fast. I have jumped over the wave. My game was so laggy. It's now also. What is the doing? Go. Play. Wow. fast. Yay! I did not die. We are going to play Spleef. No, 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 no. Oh no, I am in the last layer. Oh my god. Many people are dying now. No, why? The stupid girl has to come here. I don't know who's left. Lakshavan. Key. What do you have to get ready for? Yeah, I'm going. No, 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 no. Bro, I am dying on the first thing. I should win. Bro, everyone died. I will press. I pressed. I should not get infected by zombie. Think I will climb over here. I have climbed. No one's getting me. I think so. Just check the shop what they have. This is 1,500 coins. My god. Where is the zombie? Zombie, I think it will die or something. I think the zombie has just given up or something. Come fast, zombie, but don't come here. Come fast, zombie. Where is the zombie? Oh my god, I just fallen down. Yeah, I have won. I have to get the coin. Reach the mountain top. Oh my god, this is slippery. Please, I have to not fall down. Oh my god. Think. Yeah, I have passed the boulder section. Now fall over this. To go correctly, you have to not step on the gas. Go fast, gas, or I will die. I have gone. Which is there now? Please don't be the one. Oh my god. I think I have to survive. To just keep running. I have to just keep running. Go, 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 go. One person has won. Someone is trying to kill. But I am the second person. Sorry for the voice. My mic was just out of battery. I am using another mic now. Come fast. I'm the first one to reach here. Sorry, second one. Oh, why it is taking so long? I want to press the button. I have to go to the end. What the? I will just follow them. Oh, I have died. I think I should just go like this. I have won. I have won, guys. I have won. I have won, guys. I have won, guys. Yay! This is a dropper. I think if I can win. I think I can win this. Oh, fast! Now there are lasers. This. Is this the Matrix? Yeah, I have won. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching this video. And please, for this video, I just want 10 likes and please subscribe. I am trying to get 100 subscribers this month. Please help me reach this goal. Bye. Bye, guys.